Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Human Respiratory System Structured Questions. Human Respiratory System. The answers are provided. Please don't forget to visit my YouTube channel, Mugabi Joshua, and please press that subscription button. These structured questions are similar to the ones set by UNEP, KCSE, GCSE, and IGCSE examination boards. You have limited time to recall the correct answer. Don't worry, the correct answer will be shown after you thinking very fast. I wish you the best of luck. Please don't forget to visit my YouTube channel, Mugabi Joshua, and please press that subscription button. Let's begin our quiz. Question 1. Which is the most important organ of the respiratory system in human? Lungs. Question 2. Exchange of gases during respiration in humans takes place in lungs. Question 3. The main function of which respiratory organ is related to sniffing and its inner cavity is lined with mucous membrane? Nasal cavity. Question 4. How much mucus is secreted every day by mucous membrane in nasal cavity? ½ liter. Question 5. Dash prevents the particles of sand, bacteria, or other small organisms from entering into the body while breathing? Mucus. Question 6. Dash makes the air wet entering into the body while respiration and equalizes it with the temperature of the body? Mucus. Question 7. Pharynx is situated behind nasal cavity. Question 8. The part of the respiratory system which connects the pharynx with the trachea is known as larynx or voice box. Question 9. What is the main function of larynx? Produce sound. Question 10. At the larynx entrance gate, there is a thin blade-like door, which is known as Epiglottis. Question 11. Which part of the respiratory system closes the glottis when any food particle is swallowed so that it does not enter into respiration pipe? Epiglottis. Question 12. Which organ of respiratory system enters into thoracic cavity? Trachea. Question 13. The two main branches of the trachea are known as bronchi. Question 14. Right bronchi enter into the right lung after being divided into 3 branches. Question 15. Left bronchi enters into the left lung after being divided into 2 branches. Question 16. How many lungs are there in thoracic cavity in human? 2. Question 17. What is the color of lungs? Red. Question 18. Lungs physically look like sponge. Question 19. Which lung is larger in size in pair of lungs in human? Right lung. Question 20. Which lung is surrounded by a membrane which is known as pleural membrane? Question 21. Lungs have a network of dash where oxygen enters into the blood and carbon dioxide comes out. Blood capillaries. Question 22. The process of respiration can be divided into external respiration, transportation of gases, internal respiration, and cellular respiration. Question 23. External respiration is divided into how many parts? Breathing and exchange of gases. Question 24. In lungs, air is taken and given out at a certain rate, which is known as breathing. Question 25. Mechanism of breathing can be divided into inspiration and expiration. Question 26. The process of air entering into the lungs is known as inspiration or inhalation. Question 27. The process of air coming out of the lungs is known as expiration or exhalation. Question 28. What is the constitution of air inhaled by lungs? Nitrogen 79%, oxygen 21%, carbon dioxide 0.03%. Question 29. What is the constitution of air exhaled by lungs? Nitrogen 79%, oxygen 17%, carbon dioxide 4%. Question 30. Approximately how much water is excreted daily through breathing? 400 mils. Question 31. Exchange of gases during respiration takes place inside lungs. Question 32. The exchange of gases in the lungs takes place on the basis of concentration gradient through normal diffusion. Question 33. The exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide gases inside the lungs takes place due to their difference in partial pressure. Question 34. The process of reaching the gases, oxygen and carbon dioxide, from lungs to cells of the body and coming back again to the lungs is known as transportation of gases. Question 35. Transportation of oxygen in body takes place through hemoglobin present in blood. Question 36. Transportation of carbon dioxide from cells to lungs takes place through hemoglobin 10 to 20% and saturation of blood. Question 37. Carbon dioxide forms dash after mixing with blood plasma. Carbonic acid. Question 38. How much percentage of carbon dioxide is transported in the form of carbonic acid? 7%. Question 39. Carbon dioxide mixes with potassium and sodium of blood to form potassium bicarbonate and sodium bicarbonate. Question 40. How much percentage of carbon dioxide in blood is transported in the form of bicarbonates? 70%. Question 41. Inside the body, gaseous exchange takes place between blood and tissue fluid, which is known as internal respiration. Question 42. The gaseous exchange in lungs is known as external respiration. Question 43. Glucose is oxidized by oxygen reached into the cell. This process is known as cellular respiration. Question 44. Which are the different types of cellular respiration? Anaerobic respiration and aerobic respiration. Question 45. Cellular respiration, in which oxidation of food takes place in the absence of oxygen, is known as anaerobic respiration. Question 46. How many ATP molecules are produced from 1 molecule of glucose during anaerobic respiration? 2. Question 47. What is the final product of anaerobic respiration in animal tissue? Lactic acid. Question 48. What is the equation for anaerobic respiration in animals? 1 molecule of glucose gives us 2 molecules of C3H6O3 plus energy. Question 49. What is the equation for anaerobic respiration in plants? Six molecules of glucose gives us 2 molecules of ethanol plus 2 molecules of carbon dioxide and energy. Question 50. Which type of cellular respiration takes place in the presence of oxygen? Aerobic respiration. Thank you very much for attending to Human Respiratory System Structured Question. This was the Human Respiratory System Part 1. Now you can go to Part 2. The answers will be provided. Please don't forget to visit my YouTube channel, Mugabe Joshua, and please press that subscription button. Thank you.